are you most excited about on the trail, and how do you pronounce it?
Heid? Heidsnuckenweg. Yeah. And that's like a type of ram or sheep or something with like the curly things. And oh yeah, I'm excited about the heather.
Yeah.
The flowers.
You ready for a big hike tomorrow?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I have a little speck on my foot that I hope doesn't hurt me. Because my shoe had something in it.
Let me see.
I think it's okay.
There's Jeff's feet.
It was just like something got stuck in my shoe lining and I had to cut it out. And they're brand new shoes.
That's a good story. These are our packs. 1 pack. 2 pack.
Thank God we don't carry a pack.
And all this
camping gear with us.
food. Eat it all.
And I got my drone packed up. That's it. Light load.
And a liquor bag.
A liquor bag. Is that a liquor bag?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe.
Okay. Let's get the hell out of here.
Good night, y'all. Here we go. It's the beginning of the trail. Right here. Heidsnuckenweg. Kind of unassuming beginning. Oh, there's the trailhead over there.
Was that on the town? 9 o'clock. You're looking at my phone.
What is that?
It's the our first sighting of the Heidsnucken. How's that going? I'm having an existential breakdown. First and foremost because of this.
It doesn't look that bad, does it?
Yeah, it looks terrible. No, it's fine. It's beautiful. Look at that! Look at the moss! What the frick? Okay, I'm not having a breakdown. It was like a half a breakdown.
About what?
Well, I was giving Jeff the rundown of the feelings. So my brain is like in school mode and like work and like, oh my God, we just got to Germany. We're gonna be here for a while. But then my body's like trail. And then my brain is like, do we have enough time? Are we in good enough shape? Do we have enough water? Am I carrying too much water? Because it's really effing heavy. Okay. This is me. So I need to hike more and then make it go out of my brain. Let's go.
I'm calm. I got no problems.
First break, put it down. How does it feel?
This is not the first break.
Kinda. It's beautiful. There aren't a ton.
Just got done with a break. Not lunch yet. Just trail mix. Electrolytes.
Yeah.
It's a pretty hard trail. It's beautiful. It's not too hard, but it's up and down, up and down. Very lovely. Very nice day. Nice people. We're a little tired. Couple hot spots on our feet, but really not too bad. I think we're taking care of everything.
Yeah. Okay, listen, according to Geoff, there are four stages of breaks. The first stage is a water break where you stand and you drink water. The second stage is a break where you sit down and drink water, but don't take too much time. And then the third break is a break, as he called it, which is where you take your shoes off and you air out a little bit. And then there's a lunch break. And the lunch break, you eat lunch.
Nice.
That's it. Oh, this is what we do. You got a rock in your shoe? Don't worry, I'm here to help you.
Yeah. Oh, there's just so many slugs here. And thinking about how slugs are basically snails. Like we could just pop them if we wanted to, right? It's pretty gross.
Do it.
I don't know. I was thinking about them scrubbing the snails clean and they dump them all in the boiling wine or whatever. Kind of gross.
And it would be a lot easier if you just ate a slug.
They're like poppers.
You kind of look like a snail.
Trail, like trail poppers. So we just finished the first day, the Heidsnuckenweg.
Heidsnuckenweg.
Yeah. Yeah, she's on the floor. We're at a really pretty hostel, pension.
Like a hotel.
Guest house outside the town of
Buchholz.
Buchholz. Yeah. First day was hard. It wasn't too hard. We did about 10, 11 miles or so.
Great. It was really beautiful and green and lush and like a fairyland. It was really cool.
So we just showered, of course, and we feel pretty good. I don't have any blisters or any soreness now that I stopped, which is good. We're gonna go eat some currywurst or something.
I'm gonna smash food in my face.
Yeah.
So much of it.